Hi everyone, I'm Francesca from Junkjournaljoy. Today I'll share with you how to make this journal from a junk mail, how to create an acetate window, and how to print on fabric a digital image. First of all, remove these plastic windows. Be careful and patient. Now cut a piece of fabric, like cotton, thin cotton. Mark the windows and cut. For now, leave this fabric apart. Now we can replace the windows. We can use transparency film, tracing paper, or, for example, tea bags, or use your fantasy. In this case, I use transparency film. Only one side is printable, so be careful when you add the piece on the junk mail. Use the right side. Now use flash bond or Fabri-Tac glue to add the piece on your junk mail. It's not perfect, but it's alright. Now take a sheet of paper a little heavier than a normal copy paper and use some masking tape like I show you in this video to add the junk mail on the sheet. Place on top of the sheet and cut the excess if necessary. Now we can print. I have an Epson ecotank inkjet. And be careful, put it in the right side. I'm using digitals from Digital Collage Club. You can find the info and links for the Digital Collage Club under this video in the description box. Now remove very carefully And now you have your beautiful, beautiful acetate windows printed. To mask the white on the border, you can use distress ink. And now it's time to add our fabric. I'm using a glue stick and then I will pass everything on the sewing machine. Now take again your heavier sheet of paper, fold the fabric and secure it with masking tape. And then place the masking tape like we did before. Now place the junk mail on top of our sheet. Add some masking tape like this so your printer will work better. You can understand why here. Print again and voila! Remove the fresh ink in this way with a napkin because only one side of the transparency film is printable. Now remove very carefully, be patient. We can add some grungy effect that I like very much. And now we can choose some various paper that you like, and you will have your journal. I hope you like this video. Thanks you for watching and see you soon.